Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you my next design team package from Country Craft Creations. I have it here laying out on my desk and I took all the plastic off so we can dive right into it. So stay tuned and I'll show you everything that I got. Okay, can you guess what this collection is? Anybody? Chickens. This is Echo Park's chicken collection. I got the 12 by 12 size. So before we dive into the papers, let me show you the bits and things that I got. So first up is the flowers here. I got Little Birdies handmade flowers. Now these are roses, pretty large size. Sometimes I take them apart to make them a little bit smaller. It just depends on what I plan to do with this collection. So I have some ideas. So we'll see. So I got a pack of that. Like I said, I took it out of the plastic. So there is the Little Birdie flowers. Doesn't have a specific name, but I will link all the products down below in the description of this video so you can easily find them. Okay, and then I got the ribbons. So I got 2 yards of each of these ribbons. So this is the gingerbread buffalo check. Love that. That goes perfect with the chickens, I think. So that's really cute. I got the antique gold jute. I don't think I've ever had this color. It's kind of a cinnamon brown color. So that's going to be fun. Let's see if you can see that. Seam binding always needs seam binding, and this is a really pretty moss green. So that goes really well with that. And then I got the pretty sheer gold dotted ribbon that always makes great closures for albums or makes pretty bows too. So that is the ribbon that I got. Set that aside over here. Then I got a pack of ephemera, which is actually die cut cardstock pieces, and there's 34 in the package. If you flip it over, you'll see a picture here of everything I got. Let me slide this to the side so we can kind of lay it out. It says straight out of the coop with a hen on it. Life is better with chickens. We got small pieces that are little floral bits. Welcome to our coop. That's cute. There's a hen. Farm fresh eggs. Another little floral piece there. Yes, I really do need all these chickens. This is a little journaling oval, like a torn memo with some tape on it, the chicken. Then we have, this is a little frame, so this will punch out. The love of family is life's greatest blessings. I love, or just love, got a chicken for the O. You're a good egg. You're excellent. Loved. Happy clucking birthday. You can find me amongst my family. My happy place with a little chicken on there. When we are together, we are home. So beyond grateful for family. Simple things. There's a chicken with some floral pieces around it. Enjoy every moment. More chickens and florals. Cross the road if you must, but be prepared for everyone to ask your motives. And there's a chicken on there. That's funny. A couple of little banners here. 3 different banners. Then family. Another frame with chickens and some floral, and it says in the center it says hanging out together, so that punches out and makes a frame. Home sweet home together. Another little journaling piece, like a little memo with the flowers and tape. And then another frame, a bigger frame, and this one punches out. It says fill a house with love, and it turns into a home. And it's a red gingham frame. So those are the 34 ephemera pieces that I got. So I'm going to just bunch those back together. What I'll do is put these in my tray when I start working on things. So I have the packaging here on the side. Let me stack these up out of the way. I don't want to lose anything. terrible when you know that something's in a package and you've misplaced it and you want to use it. So got to make sure I stack these all back and get them in my tray here in a bit. And before I start working on my design team project, I will be working on the project for the Country Craft Creations Rodeo Crop. I think that's what it's called. I may have that name wrong, but I'll be working on that and doing a video on a small project for that with some new exciting collection that's come out and will be introduced. So here we have the Echo Park chickens. So we start off with the sticker sheet, sticker elements. Super cute. I love the chicken house with the chicken, the borders down here. We've got different chickens, or hens I should say. And then life is better with chickens. And welcome to our coop. Little jar with some eggs, pickled eggs, and some flowers. Farm fresh eggs. So this I love using stickers in a project. So these are really cute. That side. Then I have flipped these so we can see the front and the back. So I got 2 each of the 12 by 12, and there's 12 designs. So I've got 24 sheets of patterned paper, which includes the journaling cards. But anyway, we start off with this one, which is called Our Coop Chickens. So there's all the hens with the flowers, and then this really nice kind of a rusty red diagonal stripe. You see that in there? I don't know if my camera picks that up. Okay, so we got that. Next we have this really pretty gingham, red gingham, and this one is called Together Plaid. So it's a plaid, and this little sheet together, the back side looks like little chicken feet prints, kind of. That's what it reminds me of. So there's that one. Then we have more chickens, and this one is called Mama Hen and Chicks. So this one has the hens with the little baby chicks all in there. Different poses of chicks and some flowers. And then the back is the chicken wire. You got to have some chicken wire. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it really well in the camera, but it's the white, the chicken wire. So that's cute. I like that one. That's really, really cute. Then next we have a free range phrases. So we have all these different phrases. I never dreamed I'd grow up to be a crazy chicken lady, but here I am killing it. My roost, my rules, just chicken in on you. You can find me amongst the hens. One cool chick, farm fresh. So they have all the chickens and some flowers and all those sayings. And in the back is a check, gingham type check in the black color. I love that one. Then we got to have some flowers, right, in with our chickens. So we have simple flowers. And then we have this little rusty red print. It looks like little flowers in that design. And then bigger flowers. So this one is called Flocked Floral. Really pretty flowers and colors with a pretty green floral print there. And the eggs, don't forget the eggs. We got to have eggs. So we have this one called Farm Fresh Eggs, all in the little carton with some floral pieces. And then this is some more of that chicken scratch. I guess what it's called, chicken scratch print in this real pretty green teal color. That's that. And more chickens, more hens. I think they're mostly all hens. I haven't seen a rooster in here. Not really. So this one is called Cluck Cluck Chickens. And then we have the green print again with some of that chicken scratch in the green. Then we have our cut-aparts. So it's you always want to get 2 of each, at least, of your cut-aparts. So you have one side for cut-aparts and the other side for the print. So this is the 6x4 journal cards. Life is Better with Chickens, Free Range, the memo card, One Cool Chick, the chicken coop, and Just Chicken in on You. And then we have this gold colored with the dots there. Then we have our 4x4 journaling cards. Welcome to our coop. Love, when we are together, we are home. Life is better with you. A memo thing. Farm fresh eggs. Yes, I really do need all these chickens. You can find me amongst my family, and the love of family is life's greatest blessing. And then this gold print here like this. Real country looking prints. And 3x4 journaling cards. Farm fresh eggs. Family is the heart of the home. Blessed beyond measure. Keep the gate closed no matter what the chickens say. Simple things. Another memo pad looking with the little clip. My roost, my rules. Farm fresh. Mama hen. Don't forget how much I love you. And then the mama hen with the chicks. And then another memo card. And then the back side is these chicken feet print. Like the chicken prints, the feet prints they make in the dirt. And then next we have the multi-journaling cards, which means you have your 4x6s, you have some tags. I have a really big one here, a 6x6, and some smaller ones, and then some a border of chickens. So this one on the back side has the black with white dots. I really love that. That's really cool. And then I got, that's all the prints, and then I got the solids. So I got the 12x12 solids. I got 3 of double-sided colors. So there's 6 colors, but I got the 2 sheets of each. So this is your red and blue. So that's that. It's more of a rusty red. Doesn't show up quite the actual color in my camera, and kind of that teal blue. So I got 2 of those. Then I got 2 greens with brown. So one side's green, one side's brown. Like that. And then I got 2 of the black and yellow. Black and yellow. And then of course always I got the 2 12x12 heavyweight chipboards. So that is my design team package haul for what I'll be working on next for a tutorial for Country Craft Creations. Again, I will link everything down below. I'll do affiliate links, so if you shop for this collection, use my links so that I receive a little kickback of commission. Doesn't cost you anything, but it gives me a little bit of extra income to purchase my cardstock and glue that I need, or adhesive that I need for my design team projects. I appreciate you all so much. Be sure and shop countrycraftcreations.com and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my videos, because they upload first before I actually go and share them on Facebook and Instagram, so that way you'll know when I have something new. Just be sure and when you subscribe to click the bell and do that, and it helps my channel grow. If you leave a comment, let me know what you think about this. Do you love chickens? Can you see yourself using that? You know, if you don't want chickens, we do have some real country looking sides, the florals and the checks and everything, so you could make something else with that. Some really cute cards if you don't want to do an album or a folio or whatever little project I decide to make. So thank you so much, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.